Right, we're going down to Winsford. I'm gonna take my bike for a jet wash. It's rammy.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me roll it.
So I went out last Sunday with Piggy, Roy and the boys. Went down to Lake Burnley, across to Barmouth, and then back through Snowdon. Full day it was. Got back about 7, I think. About 238 miles we did. And that was the first that's the longest ride I've done on my bike. Alright, mate. But I noticed just as we were getting back, that wrist was just starting to ache a little bit. So I've ordered some bar risers, but they're here now. Just waiting for Superfly to come up and sort them. So they bring them up about 27mm and towards me about an inch, I think. So I'm going to get them fitted. I've got the infill piece, another infill piece for down there as well. So hopefully this time it'll fit. It's not a 60 quidder. I've gone for another one, but it's about 20 quid off Amazon. So we'll see if that fits. And what else have we got? No, that's it. A Thunderbox so I can do my tracker and shit. So I've still got a couple of jobs to do, or Oggy has, not me. And my Mounjaro working a treat. So it's my third jab today, so I've been on it for 2 weeks. I started at 18 stone 1 and I'm now down. I weighed myself this morning, I'm 17 stone 3. So I've near enough lost a stone in 2 weeks. But I am eating right. I'm not eating shit. I'm sticking to it. Even when we went Barmouth last week, normally I'd have fish and chips. I didn't. I had a fish cake and half a fucking sausage. So yeah, it's going alright. The only thing I've not took into account is that my head's going to get slimmer, and I've just bought a new helmet and my fucking jacket. I've only just bought this, and if I lose me goat, it's going to just be fucking massive on me. So, but fuck it, we'll see. We'll see. I won't lose a couple of stone, at least a couple of stone. 3 would be nice. I'd like to get down to about 15ish. Depends how much of a crackhead I look. So, but if I can shave me little doodah without using a mirror, that's what I'm aiming for. You know what I mean? I want to look down and have a little conversation with it. This jet wash, it's 3 quid for 10 minutes, but because it's that cheap, every fucker goes there. There's normally a queue on. Day. Yeah, I never put out last week because we were in group chat, and as much as I put a lot of shit on here, I edit more out that I probably think would probably be a bit too much. So I can't film when I'm in chat with other people, because even though, yeah, you've heard what I'm like, you've not heard all of it. So I reckon I could still offend people. So yeah, that's why I never had out last week. But we're not out today. I'm just taking this for a run, get it cleaned, and then we've got to go get some more shopping in, some more healthy food for me. So going going out, get some shit in a bit. But yeah, I've done well I have. But that Mounjaro helps you do well. You don't, you know what I mean? You might, last weekend was an hard weekend for me, because I was there thinking, fuck me, I want something, and I was just bored of, right, well, I've got grapes in, I'll eat some grapes. It's fucking shite, mate, it doesn't hit the spot. So yeah, I ended up having, like, fucking getting fish cakes, having a fish cake and a tin of beans, and fucking, or pork chops and a plate of veg. And I found that's better because it feels like you're having a proper meal. So I've not been eating many carbs. I've not had I think I might have had a couple of fins, that's it, with salad shit on, but I've not had any rice or chips or out like that. Only because the first day I jabbed it the first Sunday, so I jabbed the Sunday, went work the Monday, fine, weren't hungry at all, and then I had thought, right, I'll have me couscous and tuna. So I had this fucking couscous and tuna. Fuck me, man, the first day was terrible. Ended up having really bad stomach cramps, felt constipated, like I really wanted to go to the toilet but I couldn't, and heartburn. I was burning inside all day and all night. I had the lansoprazole, fucking Rennies, it just wouldn't stop. So I got in from work. When I got in from work, it was like, past the toilet, thought, fuck me, it's ready. Went toilet, unleashed. That stopped the stomach cramps, but the heartburn was still there, and I just ended up having a shower and getting in bed and sleeping right through. The Tuesday, well, since then I've been fine, but I've noticed when you have done your jab, because I do it on a Sunday, you're constipated for a couple of days and then you get back to normal. And that's the only side effects I've had. The first day was fucking terrible. I said to Deb, if I have another day like this, he can fuck off. I'm not staying on it. I felt shit. But yeah, I've been fine since. And it does work. If it stops me eating, it'll stop anyone. Scooter boys. So yeah, I've got jab tonight, and I've got one more left on 2.5 mil, and then I go up to 5. And my mate that's on it at work, he said 5 mil's a game changer. He said, fucking hell, he's been going work and having, he has these protein yogurts in the little sachets. He's been having one of them for breakfast, one of them and a sandwich for dinner, and then a proper tea. And he said, honestly, all I've been eating is half a sandwich a day. I can't even stomach the protein shakes. But it'll level itself out again, it always does, because you can't live on fuck all, you've got to eat. Well, there's been times on this where I thought, right, I've got to eat, I'm not hungry, but I've got to, otherwise I'm going to start feeling sick. So just had some pineapple chunks or something, I've had something. But yeah, he's working a treat at the moment, a lot better than that Saxenda I think I was on last time, which when you upped it, you felt sickly. And I couldn't up it, I think I got up to about halfway, and I couldn't go any higher. It was just knocking me sick, but then your body gets used to it. So I came off that, and that was dearer, that was 250 quid a month. Whereas this is 150, but you get your little discount codes. So I got it for like 113. So that ain't bad. But yeah, I've got to do it. My plan is, hopefully, it's not for vain shit really, it's for health. I'm getting a fat bastard, or I was getting a fat bastard. I was on blood pressure tablets, cholesterol tablets. If I can get down where I don't need them, I'll be made up. So that's the goal. I can tell, not by looks, but I can tell by the silly things like when you're tying your laces, when you're putting your socks on, you don't have to hold your breath and have a double take going in. Is it busy? It's fucking busy, mate. There's dickheads here. I'm not happy about that. I wish there was like a car wash Mounjaro. Look at, oh fuck me, I'm not going here. There's fucking 5-6 cars waiting, and each one's 10 minutes on the jet wash. Right, where can I go? It needs a fucking wash. Pisses me off this. Why does everybody want wash shit? There should be a Mounjaro for car washes where I could just go throw something at them and, oh, I don't need a car wash now, I don't feel like it. I'll fuck off home and let Big E get in there. He can swivel on that, I'm not waiting in that shit. So that was a wasted journey. I'm going to have to bill fucking BP for my fuel. Right, back up then. Until watch it along here, there's been a lot of cop bikes out lately, getting people speeding. So yeah, my little weight loss journey is going well at the moment. So I might order me up a one today, my 5mm. I've got to wait for Steph's girlfriend use me referral code. She uses that, I get £40 off, so I'll get it for 110 this time. She said she was going to use it this weekend and order hers. She was using me as a guinea pig, wasn't she, see if I lost weight. But yeah, near enough a stone in 2 weeks ain't bad. I'm happy, more than happy with that. I'll be happy once I get below the 17 stone mark. I've not been below 17 stone for a long while. I think last time I was on that Saxender I got down to about 17.1ish, something like that. I never went below it. Yeah, it was a good ride out last Sunday with Piggy and Nathan. That it was getting 60 to the gallon, 60.01 to the gallon this was, which is fucking amazing for a big bike. Still love it. Still love it. It's my little baby. Yeah, so I thought I'd just do a little fucking video today, a little update on Fatty's weight loss. So, if you're a greedy bastard, you need to lose some weight, I'd recommend it at the moment. I'm going to give it I won't give it a month or two just to see, because everything seems good when you first get on it, doesn't it? But whether it'll level out or not, I'm hoping not. So, but yeah, it carries on how it is now. Recommend it. Just the first day you've got to get through. I was told the heartburn part was due to like fucking like the other lad that has it. He said he had the same thing, and his doctor said it's carbs. Cut a few of the carbs out. And he's not had carbs since, well, apart from his little sandwich a day. He said he's been fine on it, but yeah, carbs I think. And I wouldn't mind, I've got about fucking 18 packs of couscous I bought at work, I stocked up. Because when I do something, I just go all over the top on it, don't I? So 18 packs of couscous. If anybody wants any couscous, just comment below. I've got so many couscous, it's nice and all. I just don't eat it again in case I start burning. Fucking Ainsley area, it's not fucking, you know, I've got fucking Morrison's Own, but I've also got Ainsley there. Oh yeah, bit of Ainsley area, posh shit. Go on dickhead. Go on dickhead, fuck me mate. Not even got first gear, he's got half a gear there, they come hybrid. I'm going to have you, aren't I? You know that. You're on my road now, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how we do it. That's how we do it on these parts. My road. How Knife's bike is. How would you buy Knife if you're watching this shit? If not, if it's your kids watching it, if Nathan's your dad, ask him how his bike is. The lad, he had it in for his service. I think he paid 1,500 quid for that. Ducati innit, Ducati 1290. Is it a 1290? Is that what they are? cars, they are, aren't they? Multistrada. And then when we were out on the ride, he kept saying that every time it was sort of like on tick over, he'd rev it up and it'd drop or stall or something, but when it was running it was fine. And smelt fuel, so he was looking for it's a few maybe sensors or something. And then they rode up back with us. We left them at Nantwich, and we got in at 7, or I did, and then I had a call off Roy at about 9:15, said he'd only just got back in because Knife's bike fucking set on fire. So yeah, is it fucked totally or what? Be gutted. Not only because it's a nice looking bike, you just spent 1,500 fucking quid on it, I'd be fucking heartbroken. But I mean, if it is fucked totally, surely you'd be able to claim on your insurance, couldn't you? Fucking for fire and shit, if it's fully comp. Even if it's third party fire and theft, it's fucking fire, isn't it? I mean, it's not ideal, but it's better than fucking losing your bike, isn't it? But yeah, be fucking gutted, the lad. I hope it's fucking repairable for you, lad. And hear me, riding round fucking Crewe, gutted because I can't wash my bike at a car wash because it's too busy and I can't be arsed by. Are you fucking cool? You fucking imbecile. Imbecile. That's what that cum was. Got me fucking tapping me brake. Is it still running? I'm talking to myself. I don't fucking know. I can't see the... I think it's still running. Don't know if my fucking camera's pointing too far down. I've tilted it a bit. Cleaning it, wiping it. Fuck it, we'll find out, won't we? Yeah, I think I'll fuck Morrison's off. I'm just going to go back, get changed, go out and get some fucking healthy bun chicken munch on. I tell you what I have missed though, fucking bacon butty or something like that. I'm trying to be good. Yeah, I can have a little treat, but I don't. It's too early for me to treat myself yet. I've got to fucking be hardcore, otherwise I'll fail. So it's like fucking saying to a crackhead, yeah, you've done well for a couple of weeks, you can have one little hit. No, fucking can't. I'll be straight back on the shit. So I can't, but I am missing bacon butties, and I didn't have them that often, you know what I mean? But I've had a bit of a craving for a bacon butty. Bacon and egg, oh, brown sauce, fuck me, oh, moisture. Yeah, but anyway, I'll probably end up with a fucking fish cake again or something, and some veg. I think today I could have got away with my little mesh jacket on. What is it, 21 degrees? Yeah, I definitely could. Or at least I've got my fleece on under there as well. So I shouldn't have put that on, just have my t-shirt on. I don't know, I was a little bit nesh, wasn't I, when I got up? Remember, Deb's going through change. Fucking freeze every night. She has window open all bastard night long, even through winter. I thought you were turning, you were that fucking slow, you. Oh, you fucking dick fuckers. Mounjaro, love, try it. Cunt. I am a cunt. Right, we're back home, so I'm going now. So, yeah, I'll see you next week. I'll do something. I'm sure I will, because I'm the man. Found neutral straight away. I always struggle with neutral on this. Normally go back up into second and then tap it down and it goes into neutral. It's not a nice little click like it was on my finger. So there's another down point there. You can have that one for fuck all, mate. I find it, yeah, I struggle a bit with neutral on this, but I do it. So that's it. Turn the shit off. Let's get me fucking shit in the garage. Right, homies and homettes. There's no homettes apart from sisters, because women don't watch this channel. Oh no, I'm just a fat sexist bastard, aren't I? Right, I'm going. Ciao, mama.